Hi, my name is Jerry Norton, and I'm looking for a small group of people to join a mentoring program called Titanium University. Titanium is the most actionable, results-driven coaching program in real estate today, and it's designed to help you do one thing: close wholesale deals virtually, anywhere in the US, in your underwear at the kitchen table from the comfort of your own home. The catch is, we only accept a limited number of people into Titanium, and many of those spots have already been taken. If accepted, you'll learn how to naturally talk to sellers and lock up contracts on the phone using the legendary 5-step King Closers formula. You'll master how to lock up profitable deals on the spot using the web formula, and you'll become a pro at finding cash buyers for your deals in all 50 states. Basically, Titanium University has one objective and only one objective: to turn you into a wholesaling machine that prints money every month. Now, if you have any other goal, this is not for you. As a member of Titanium University, you'll join a thriving private community of active, passionate wholesalers who network together. They do deals together, and they grow together. You'll be part of daily implementation calls focused on sales, lead generation, dispositions, and more. Plus, you'll get direct training, coaching, and feedback from the best experts in the game. Basically, everything you need to be hyper successful at virtual wholesaling. Now, if you've heard of my Fast Track Partner and Mentor program, you might be wondering why I'm talking about Titanium University. Well, one of the secrets to success in business is partnering with other successful people. In real estate, that often means partnering with other wholesalers, investors, or lenders. The right strategic partnerships can help you 10x your business, and as the owner of a real estate education and software company, it's no different. That's why, after much consideration, I've decided to partner with the best wholesaling coach in the industry right now, my good friend RJ Bates. Now, if you don't know RJ, he's the top wholesale closer in the country. I know because I've been doing live seller calls with RJ on YouTube for years, and no one is better. He wins every seller competition he enters, earning the title as the King Closer. In fact, RJ is so good that he has closed over 2,000 deals in all 50 states, and he even closed 125 contracts in 50 days. Long story short, RJ doesn't just talk the talk, he walks the walk. Like me, he's in the trenches doing deals every single day. Titanium University is the best coaching program in the industry because it's based on real-world experience and what's working right now, not what worked 5 years ago or even a year ago. The reason why I'm partnering with RJ and Titanium University is because I can't be all things to all people. I'm busy doing deals, making content, and building my software and other companies, and I'm trying to spend more time on my farm in East Tennessee with my wife, 10 kids, and now my first grandchild. So when it comes to high-level coaching, I've decided to leverage the best of the best, and that's Titanium University and RJ's amazing team. Look, I'm all about family, but you need a real estate family too. My real estate family is the Titanium community, and that should be your real estate family too. But like I said, spots in Titanium University are limited, and they're filling up fast. If you're watching this video, then spots are still available, but you need to apply right now. Below this video, there's a calendar to book a call with RJ's team. On that call, they'll tell you more about the program and if you qualify and how to get enrolled. Book that call now while spots are still available. Titanium is the real deal, but come ready to work. RJ has a ton of energy and will expect you to show up with all you've got. Right now, you have a chance to work with someone at the top of their game. I suggest you take that chance. With that said, let me hand it off to RJ so you can hear from the man himself.
Hey guys, RJ Bates III here. And listen, Jerry just told you about me, but let me show you why he's sending you my way. 2,500 plus deals closed in all 50 states. It's not theory. You can watch hundreds of my live seller calls on YouTube, including me locking up 125 contracts in 50 days, all documented live. I've won back-to-back Closers Olympics championships, as well as several other closing competitions. But here's what matters to you. Student results. Ben Frost, $500,000 in assignments in 60 days after joining TU. Multiple students doing their first six-figure years. Several people have closed $10,000 on day one. Another wholesaler, 6 months, struggling, joined us, 3 deals funded in 40 days with 3 more closing soon. I don't share this to brag. I share it because Jerry doesn't partner with just anyone, and neither should you. Here's what I'm promising you if you join Titanium University. I'm going to give you the blueprint to build a wildly profitable wholesaling machine. And when I say machine, I mean a system where you put $1 in and get $8 to $10 out every single time. The 3 skills: how to talk to motivated sellers every day and get them to want to work with you. How to lock up contracts at prices end buyers will actually pay using the closer's formula and the web formula. And how to sell those deals anywhere in the country. And here's the best part. You're doing all of this virtually. No visiting the properties, no driving for dollars, and no door knocking. We don't cold call, we don't do cold texting, none of that obnoxious nonsense that wastes your time. You're closing deals from your kitchen table in all 50 states, just like Jerry said. I'm not promising you'll make 6 figures in 30 days. I'm not promising you'll get rich quick. What I am promising is if you show up, do the work, and implement what we teach, you'll close more deals at higher assignment fees than you ever have before. We're going to help you build a machine, not a hustle, but an absolute machine. Now, the overcomplication problem that we have in this industry is, here's what I see happening out there, or people are overcomplicating this business. They think they need 17 different software tools or some crazy complicated funnel, the perfect CRM or the perfect script. And they're paralyzed, analysis paralysis, never actually doing anything. Now, maybe that's not you. Maybe you're actually taking action, but you're hanging up from seller calls thinking, I just blew that lead. You sound like every other we buy houses person they've talked to. You're fumbling through objections and reading from scripts that sound robotic. Sellers say, I'll think about it, and you know they're never going to call you back. You're getting contracts signed, but you can't sell them because you're comping and underwriting wrong. You're spending money on leads, but can't convert them. You're stuck doing deals in just your local market because you don't know how to go virtual. Or you're burning yourself out with cold calling, door knocking, and all of that outdated garbage. Here's the truth. This business is actually simple. It's not easy, but it's simple. There's really only 3 things you need to do. Talk to sellers, lock up deals, and sell those deals. But most wholesalers lose more deals in the conversation than they ever do in the numbers. And they're doing it all alone, trying to figure everything out by themselves. And I get it. I've been there. Every wholesaler has. The difference is most people keep making the same mistakes because no one's actually showing them what to do differently. Well, here's how we fix that problem. Inside of Titanium University, here's what happens every single day. First, you're going to get on the daily implementation calls with myself and my team. Not weekly, not monthly, but daily. You bring your actual deals, your actual seller calls, and your actual problems, and we solve them together in real time. I'll listen to your seller calls and break down exactly what you did wrong and what to say instead. You'll submit properties through our comp review portal and get expert feedback before making an offer. You're getting the exact system that we use here at Titanium Investments to close those 2,500 plus deals. The 5-step King Closers formula. It's not a script. There's no manipulation games, just authentic conversation that builds trust. The where in buyers buy formula, our unorthodox way to comp and underwrite so you know your deals will sell. You get our Dispo formula, how we sell deals in all 50 states. And plus you'll get all of our contracts, templates, resources, everything we use in our business. You just swipe and deploy. But the community. Here's what might be the most valuable part of Titanium University. You're joining a community of 800 plus who are actually doing deals, not just talking about them, not asking beginner questions, actually closing contracts every single day. These are people doing deals in every single state in the country, which means when you lock up a deal in Florida, Texas, Ohio, wherever, there's someone inside of the community who has buyers there. You'll network, partner on deals together, JV together, grow together. People are literally doing deals with each other inside of TU. It's not just education. It's a real estate family that's actually building businesses together. Here's the difference between Titanium and every other program. This isn't a course. It's not 47 modules to watch alone in your basement. This is execution. We work with you until you get results. We don't disappear after you pay. We stick with you through every challenge. Now, there is an investment, but it's less than 1/3 of the average nationwide assignment fee. And yes, we do have payment plans available. So if you think lifetime access to myself, Cassie, and our entire team can help you close even one more deal, the math makes sense. So here's what I want you to imagine. 90 days from now, you're waking up to text notifications on your phone. You've got contracts signed and deals closing. Sellers aren't just accepting your price. The deals are actually moving. You hop on a seller call at your kitchen table, still in your underwear if you want, and you're not nervous. You're not fumbling. You know exactly what to say because you've practiced this with me dozens of times. You lock up the deal. You run it through the web formula. You know it's going to sell. You post it in the Titanium community, and someone raises their hand to JV with you and sell the deal. The deal closes, and you make $10,000, $15,000, $20,000. That's not a one-time thing anymore. That's your system. Leads coming in, seller conversations happening, deals closing, cash flowing every single month. You're not chasing deals anymore. You're running a machine. You're doing this from anywhere, your house, a coffee shop, on vacation. Virtual wholesaling, exactly how Jerry described it. And you're part of a community of 700, 800 plus people doing the exact same thing, supporting each other, celebrating wins together. Maybe you're even partnering with other members on deals and markets you've never even seen before. That's what we're building inside of Titanium University. Not just deals, but it's a system that prints money every month. And look, I know what you're thinking. Does this actually work? Well, let me tell you about some of our members. Hyro quit his job and has made a couple $100,000 in assignments since joining. Chance has done over $200,000 in assignments, including an $80,000 deal. And we've had countless members do their first deals inside of Titanium. The partnerships happening inside of this community are insane. People are JVing together, doing deals together, building actual businesses together. These aren't fake screenshots. These are real people in the community celebrating wins every single day. And you see that hashtag conquered? That's what our members post when they close deals. And it happens every single day. Now look, we only accept 20 to 30 people per class, and we are selective. If you're watching this, spots are still available, but not for long. So click the button below and book a call with my team. And they'll tell you more about the program, answer your questions, and if you qualify, you'll find out how to get enrolled. Jerry said I'm the real deal. He's right. But you need to come ready to work. If you want to sit on the sidelines, keep doing what you're doing. But if you're ready to build a real wholesaling business with people who have already done it, book that call now. Let's get to work.